Hey there, my amazing money-savvy friends. It's your girl, Green Waifu, here to share some super exciting tips on how you can make 6 figures a year. Yep, you heard it right. We're talking about those big bucks. So grab your favorite notebook and let's dive into the world of high-paying jobs. Now, before we get started, it's important to know that earning 6 figures a year requires dedication, hard work, and some specific skills. But don't worry, I'm here to break it down for you in a way that even an elementary kid can understand. So let's jump right into it. First things first, let's talk about finding a high-paying job. There are many professions out there that can lead you to that sweet 6-figure salary. One popular path is pursuing a career in the field of medicine. In the field of medicine, there are various specializations that can bring you both fulfillment and a handsome paycheck. Think about becoming a neurosurgeon, an anesthesiologist, or a dermatologist. These professionals undergo extensive education and training to provide specialized care to patients. They work diligently to diagnose and treat illnesses, perform life-saving surgeries, and ensure the well-being of their patients. It's a challenging yet rewarding field that requires a deep passion for helping others. Now, if the medical field isn't your calling, fear not. The world of technology holds incredible opportunities for high-paying jobs. Software engineers and computer programmers are in high demand, using their coding skills to develop websites, apps, and software programs. They bring innovation to our digital world and make our lives easier and more exciting. Imagine being the mastermind behind a popular mobile game or creating cutting-edge software that revolutionizes industries. The possibilities are endless. Another lucrative field is finance. Financial managers, investment bankers, and accountants play critical roles in helping individuals and businesses make sound financial decisions. They provide guidance on investments, manage funds, and keep track of financial records. These professionals have a keen eye for detail, a deep understanding of market trends, and the ability to navigate complex financial landscapes. They're like the superheroes of money, ensuring that finances are well managed and prosperous. And hey, let's not forget about entrepreneurs. Starting your own successful business is not only exciting but can also lead to that sought-after 6-figure income. Imagine being the founder of a popular fashion brand, a tech startup, or a unique service provider. Entrepreneurs take risks, think outside the box, and create opportunities for themselves and others. They have the freedom to explore their passions, make their own rules, and build something extraordinary. It's a path that requires dedication, resilience, and a whole lot of hustle. But here's the secret. It's not just about the job you choose, it's also about the skills you develop and the value you bring to the table. No matter what field you're in, there are certain qualities that can help you stand out and earn those 6 figures. One important skill is leadership. Being a great leader is about more than just being in charge. It's about inspiring and motivating others to bring out their best. Imagine being the captain of a sports team, rallying your teammates before a game. You set goals, strategize, and guide your team towards victory. Similarly, being a lead singer in a band means you not only have incredible talent, but also the ability to inspire your bandmates and create something magical together. Great leaders make tough decisions, delegate tasks effectively, and create a positive and productive environment. By honing your leadership skills, you can stand out and excel in your chosen field. Another valuable skill is problem solving. High earners are like detectives who possess a knack for finding solutions when faced with challenges. They have a unique ability to think outside the box and analyze situations from different angles. Just like a detective tirelessly searching for clues to solve a case, high earners actively seek out information, gather data, and come up with innovative ideas that save the day. They embrace challenges as opportunities for growth and use their problem-solving skills to overcome obstacles. Developing your problem-solving abilities will make you a valuable asset in any industry. Communication is also key. Effective communication is a vital skill that can make a world of difference in your professional life. Imagine being a great storyteller or a captivating performer on stage. You express yourself clearly, engage your audience, and leave a lasting impact. In high-paying jobs, being able to articulate your thoughts, actively listen to others, and collaborate effectively with colleagues is crucial. Whether it's presenting a business idea, negotiating a deal, or working in a team, strong communication skills help you build connections, foster relationships, and convey your ideas with confidence and clarity. So don't underestimate the power of effective communication in your pursuit of a six-figure income. Lastly is adaptability. Picture this. You're an actor on a stage, performing in a live show. Suddenly, a technical glitch occurs, and the set malfunctions. In that moment, your ability to adapt becomes crucial. You quickly think on your feet, adjust your performance, and seamlessly carry on, captivating the audience. Adaptability is like being a chameleon, able to change and adjust to different situations and environments. In the world of high earners, things are constantly evolving. Industries change, technologies advance, and new challenges arise. The ability to adapt allows you to stay ahead of the game and thrive in any circumstances. It means embracing change and being open to new ideas and approaches. Adaptability is like having a superpower that allows you to navigate uncertain times with ease. High earners understand that success often lies outside their comfort zones. They're willing to step out of familiar territory, learn new skills, and adapt to emerging trends. They embrace lifelong learning, continuously seeking knowledge and self-improvement. Whether it's acquiring new certifications, staying updated with industry trends, or mastering new technologies, their adaptability keeps them at the forefront of their fields. Adaptability also means being resilient in the face of challenges and setbacks. Just like a superhero who rises after every defeat, high earners bounce back stronger from failures. They learn from their mistakes, adjust their strategies, and keep moving forward. Their ability to adapt allows them to turn setbacks into stepping stones towards greater success. Now, I want to remind you that earning six figures a year isn't the only measure of success. It's important to choose a career that aligns with your passions and values. Pursue something that makes you happy and fulfilled, because at the end of the day, that's what truly matters. But if you have big dreams of reaching that six-figure milestone, know that it's possible. Choose a path that excites you. Work hard to develop valuable skills, and never stop learning. The world is full of opportunities, and with dedication and perseverance, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. So I hope you're feeling inspired and ready to conquer the world. Remember, it's never too early to start exploring your passions, learning new skills, and dreaming big. Whether you become a doctor, a software engineer, an entrepreneur, or something entirely different, always believe in yourself and chase those six-figure dreams. Until next time, stay curious, stay ambitious, and keep rocking that money mindset. Green Waifu, signing off.